Paulo here. Welcome back to the channel. I believe it's been a minute, so I owe you guys an explanation on what's really going on with the channel and my commitment to it. So in the beginning of the year, I joined a company called Spot On Billiards, where I partnered with them to help them scale and grow the business. With my marketing skills and content creation, we created a new YouTube channel called Spot On Billiards, and my focus has been to help grow the business. Actually, this new space is the new location of my new YouTube channel, as well as the Spot On Billiards channel. If you're new to the channel, we review high-end, top-notch quality products on this channel. Whether it's gaming laptops, high-end audio gear, retro gaming, that's what this channel is all about. When I was constructing this space a few months ago, I reached out to a few sponsors to see if they can help out grow out the space. One of them I'm going to talk about today. They sent over the LiberNovo Omni chair. This chair was provided by LiberNovo free of charge, and this video was created to talk about it, give my unbiased reviews and my thoughts about it, since I am an avid user of the Herman Miller Embody chair. I was very interested in checking this out, so this video here is about my honest review, from unboxing to building it, all the way to its technical feature that this thing has to offer. Check this video out because this is the first of a marathon of product reviews I'm going to be doing here. Hit that like and subscribe if this is something that you want to check out, because this channel is about to do that every week. Let's start off with checking out the LiberNovo Omni chair. If you spend 8 to 12 hours a day sitting at a desk like I do, you know the struggle. You start the day with a perfect posture, but an hour in, you're slouching, shifting, or leaning. Most ergonomic chairs force you to hold the static position to stay supported. The second you shift or reach across your desk, that support disappears without you even knowing. Today, we're taking a close look at the LiberNovo Omni, the world's first dynamic ergonomic chair created by engineers with backgrounds from smart tech brands like DJI and Narwhal. Unboxing was clean and assembly took roughly 15 minutes with the included tools. But does a dynamic ergonomics actually solve desk fatigue? Let's break it down. Before we dive into the smart features, let's talk about what proper sitting posture actually looks like. Your lower back needs to be fully supported with zero gaps behind your spine. Shoulders should be relaxed with your arms at roughly a 90-degree angle, resting flush with your desk surface. Your eyes should be level with the top third of your monitor, with the neck rest fitting snugly against your neck. And your feet or legs should be properly supported. Most traditional chairs can meet these criteria only if you sit completely still, but studies show your posture shifts up to 13 times an hour. That's where static chairs fail. The moment you shift, gaps form and support disappears. LiberNovo's approach is simple. Your body was designed to move, your chair should too. To understand how the Omni keeps up with your movement, there are two key systems working together. First, the backrest itself is called the Bionic FlexFit backrest. This flexible adaptive structure naturally contours to your spine as you shift. Then, built right into the lower section is a motorized lumbar support system controlled by buttons on the armrest. With a quick press, you can fine-tune the motorized lower back support so it fits snugly against your lower spine, removing any gap. Second is the SyncroLink mechanism. This connects the seat, backrest, neckrest, and armrest into one unified system. Watch this side angle. As I recline back or lean forward, everything stays in sync. The armrest slides smoothly while staying level with my desk edge, and through dynamic screen alignment, the neckrest automatically tilts to keep my line of sight parallel with my monitor. No neck crane required. let's address the benchmark many desk users think of, the Herman Miller Embody. I've spent years using an Embody at home, so how does the LiberNovo Omni compare in real-world use? First, the recline and headrest. The Embody caps its tilt around 135 degrees and doesn't ship with an integrated headrest. The Omni offers deep recline modes all the way to 160 degrees and includes a dynamic neckrest built right in. The Embody uses a pixelated matrix that sits quite firm, and the Omni features a cold-cured multi-density seat cushion, something like a memory foam, though firmer at the rear for sit bone support and softer near the front edge for easy leg comfort. And for adjustment, the Embody relies on manual knobs and flexible ribs. The Omni adds motorized lumbar adjustments at the touch of an armrest button, active SyncroLink movement, tracking, and built-in motorized spinal stretch mode. The Embody is an icon though in static flex design, but the Omni though introduces an active automated approach to keep your posture supported all day. The Omni gives you 4 distinct recline presets for different tasks throughout the workday. 105 degrees deep focus mode, great for intense typing, editing, or video calls. 120 degrees solo work mode is ideal for reading or content planning. 135 degrees soft recline mode, perfect for taking phone calls or casually reviewing documents. And finally, the 160 degrees spine flow mode for max recline for full body rest and reset. When you need a break between long sessions, you recline to that 160 degrees, rest your calves on the footrest, and trigger OmniStretch mode. This is a 5-minute motorized spinal stretch and decompression style reset. The lower section gently lifts and cycles your lower back, inspired by spinal decompression and yoga stretches to relieve lower back tension right at your desk anytime you want. It runs on an internal battery that charges in 3.5 hours and lasts up to 30 days of daily use. Let's talk about fit and sizing, because even the best chair needs to match your proportions. For reference, the 48cm seat depth fits my legs comfortably with proper under-thigh support. Here's LiberNovo's general sizing guide to help you find your fit. LiberNovo Omni, designed for users between 5 feet and 6 foot 1 inches. Roughly 153 centimeters to 186 centimeters, and supporting up to 300 pounds. The LiberNovo Maxis, if you are taller than 6 foot 1 or prefer a broader frame, you should check out this Maxis model instead. After testing the Omni daily in my studio setup, here is my honest breakdown of the pros and cons. First, the pros. Active dynamic tracking. That SyncroLink system genuinely keeps your neck and forearms aligned with your desk across all recline angles. The OmniStretch mode, having a built-in 5-minute motorized spinal stretch at 160 degrees, is fantastic during long editing days. Build and cushioning. The multi-density seat cushion and plush armrest feels great during 8+ hours stretches. And for the cons, the electronic charging. Because of the motorized lumbar and stretch functions, you do need to recharge the internal battery every month or so. The footrest placement awareness, you have to remember to rest your calves, not your bare feet, on the footrest cushion for proper alignment. Frame size, if you're over 6 foot 1, the standard Omni will feel slightly compact, so you'll need to opt for the Maxis. So overall, if you're a creator, developer, gamer, or remote worker spending long hours at a desk, the LiberNovo Omni offers a uniquely active approach to sitting posture. LiberNovo backs it up with a frame warranty and a 2-year warranty on the electronic systems. You can check out the LiberNovo Omni directly on their official website. I've placed a link right down in the description below so you can explore the pricing and full specifications. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What chair are you currently using at your desk, and what do you think of the motorized dynamics that LiberNovo offers? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, see ya.